Hello and welcome to the guide on how to make payments on the PlugMate platform. First, log into the system using your credentials. If you don't have an account, please create one to proceed. Now log into the system using your credentials. Once you have logged into the system, please navigate to the Buy Token section, which is the second option in the menu. Step 1. Add your wallet address. Start by adding your wallet address in the Receiving Wallet field. This is where your EVP tokens will be sent. We recommend using a compatible wallet that supports custom tokens. Once done, click Update ERC-20 Wallet Address to save your wallet details. Add the token's wallet details. Step 2. Choose your payment method. Enter the amount you'd like to contribute in the provided box. Next, select the cryptocurrency you wish to pay with, such as USDT, ETH, BTC, or others, from the drop-down menu. Keep in mind the displayed price is not final. The contribution amount will be calculated based on the current exchange rate at the time of the transaction. Step 3. Initiate the payment. Once you're ready, click Make Online Payment. This will redirect you to the KuCoin gateway, where you'll complete your transaction. You can either copy and paste the wallet address provided, or simply scan the QR code for payment. You can make payment using an exchange wallet like Binance or KuCoin, as well as through self-custody wallets, such as MetaMask or Trust Wallet. Ensure you complete the transaction within the remaining time displayed. Please note that network and gas fees will be added at this stage. The minimum and maximum transaction limits range from $100 to $10 million. For exchange users, the following are the steps. Here we're taking the example of Binance, but the process is similar for other exchanges. Log in to your Binance account and go to the Withdraw section. Select the cryptocurrency you chose in Step 2, for example BTC or USDT. Enter the KuCoin wallet address or scan the QR provided at checkout. Double-check the wallet address and the network before confirming your withdrawal. Approve the transaction and you're all set. You need to verify the passkey for security verification before confirming your payment. After confirmation, this process may take some time depending on your network or internet connection, so ensure your internet is working well. After verification, your payment will be completed, and the waiting section on KuCoin will change to Paid. This indicates that your payment was successful. For self-custody wallets, the following are the steps. Here we're taking the example of Trust Wallet, but the process is similar for other self-custody wallets. Open your Trust Wallet app and select the cryptocurrency you want to send. Tap Send and paste the QR Commerce wallet address, or scan the QR into the recipient field. Enter the exact amount displayed on the platform and confirm your transaction. Complete any additional security steps required by Trust Wallet. After completing the payment, you will receive a confirmation email from KuCoin. Your EVP tokens will be credited to your account after the deposit is confirmed and verified. All the purchased token balances will appear on your PlugMate account. Note: this will take a few minutes. Remember, your tokens will be available in your wallet only after all the token sale rounds are completed. It may take some time for the payment to reflect on your PlugMate dashboard. This is the complete guide to investing on PlugMate. Ensure you have an active internet connection, carefully check the wallet address, and follow all the mentioned steps. Thank you for being a part of our revolutionary platform, PlugMate.